kum shibanta jong jing rakhe ya ka World Environment Day ka Eco Club and NSS unit ha ka jing trelang bat ka National People's Youth Front Riboy District ha ka singin toding jong ka tayo ka ta ha ka laitere ku bana jeleo arajar ar la penlong ya ka jing tung ding hasin Michael Higher Secondary School Umsning na ka benta ban pensa jing kan mau ya ka jing rakhe ya ka singi penne mariang ka balong ru na ka benta ban yo ya ka jing ko jing khia ha balasan ki ding ki se ban yo ya ka ler ka ba khoj ban ring man sim Hagan ikas ngi lawan ruban saki da kinong ilam bahkamat jong keseng san partai NPP ki bakentup yau samla pendap lang walang beri presiden jong NPYF kum kongsan uba Clement Maulong beri presiden jong keseng san partai Nariboy district ki nong hikai jong school Saint Michael ki bakentup yau babu Bishar Pengrup ubabu Gabriel Marwen bat kiwe rengkat di ki kena school naga kelas 10 ke kelas 11 bat ke kelas 12 Haba ajing keren kita kinong ilam kilapan pau ya kejing kublai ya MDC jong katany ikong Magdalene Sokmi Maulong ibal kloy ban no senyang ya kita kesembai ding na kebenta bantung ha kita ke school.
I invite you all will stand one slogan will protect our environment. Saint Michael School, Higher Secondary School, will stand up to protect our environment. The mineral resource we have in Meghalaya, uranium, will stand up. We say no uranium in Meghalaya. Students, my dear students, my friends, you are the future of our generation. I don't know any idea to explain about the uranium, but I think as a student, evening or after when you reach home, you write the effect of the uranium. You have seen in the newspaper last years or these days what is the effect of the uranium. It's effect to the environment, but our duty to stand up and protest. Remember, my friends, not only to plant trees, it's not only the duty to plant trees, but when we see this plastic falling inside the ground, even at home, even in the roadside, even at school, even in your locality, it's our duty, my students, to make the environment clean. I urge you today, you are the new generation, to tell someone, let us unite to make our environment clean and green. Kajingon kajongiru environment kamanihim kada loktik uding bilang mixra kajangan ino iding kabangajan sopi apabila tadi pengat ada show macam uding dan to arifa na penjuni ini kin om bal dom hajan jokna hajan jokna pengat semula tetapi environment jom kecil kan environment jom kecil kada ko kan environment jom property boleh lagi tak kuat konsumsi the environment of life umum karakter ka behavior kecuali manusia
Final Secretary Sri Working President Christian Sublendor, Organizing Secretary Albertus Apan, Vice President Mansius Sende, Education Secretary Prabu Pargen, the other secretaries of the district and joint Publicity Secretary Manulung Manto, and I hope I mentioned all the names if I'm not, or Christian also is there. So I welcome all the members of the NPOF to this function. So I welcome you all, the students also who are participating on this day for the tree plantation. I would like just to remind you that we have done once the tree plantation listen to it. We used to plan, but not together as we do now. So today is a very special day, which we never really would say that we have also a friend from the UAF actually along with us to plan around wherever places there as far as that we have regularly, but wherever there are places where we will plan.
So that we can enjoy life. Said, no? That this noble dog said, what do you think I'm doing now? You know? I'm enjoying life now. Okay? So what I mean to say is that there are some people who have destroyed the environment completely, but finally they are seeking a place where they want a good environment, where there are plenty of trees, no? Where there are plenty of fresh air. So we are here in Ripoy area. We are fortunate to have all these things, which the people might have got plenty of wealth, and yet they want to live our own life. When I take people to different countries in the world, especially Israel, it was a desert. But they live in a place where there are plenty of trees, greenery, good environment. Then I used to ask the people, what's the difference between them and us? Then they said, Father, it's very easy to understand. They are making the
Pamilya Kusmari naging pagkatulong ng si but nagturo bilang gawin ng buong lemon para kulang sa loob juni yung kaya pagbuhay natin yung marian ang kiibiyang yagi jibulong jumlay sintido kontra mereka mentar hanya orang don't wait to IS officer jadi tahu dan sibuk pagi jelang bego ya di balik mereka mentori orang ini dia kan juga tahu hingga timah sensitif jauh dia tahu kita belajar memang kita juga tahu IS officer di jurnalistik kalau begitu itu dia tak sebenarnya kami tahu bahwa dia belajar banyak enam orang juga tahu jurnalistik mana dan saya masih baik aja jadi pun tidak jauh dari rumah ini sendiri benar-benar boleh ada yang belajar orang yang masuk